So, you created your first YouTube short, or maybe you've been posting for a while, but one thing is keep bugging you. Why can't I change my thumbnail? My name is Arya, this is AZM Lab, and let me show you an easy way that allows you to edit your short videos and upload them on your PC and still be able to have your own custom thumbnails. So, in order for you to create a custom thumbnail for your short videos in DaVinci Resolve, all you need to do is simply edit your video, and once you have done that, create your custom thumbnail through some form of an editing software. Once that's done, add that as either a JPEG or PNG into your timeline. I usually aim for like 2 to 2.5 seconds long, as you can see. Then simply export the video, which I'll cover in another video with you. Now, simply upload your video the usual way via YouTube and it will automatically pick up as a short video format. However, you will notice two things. One is that automatically YouTube is selecting a specific thumbnail from your timeline, but also additionally, it says one thing: you need to change your thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app. Now, what you need to do is, as you can see, get to the end where you're uploading it, but make sure you upload the video as private. Now, load up the YouTube app, not YouTube Studio, YouTube app on your mobile phone, and then make sure you're logged into the correct user profile for your YouTube account, and select the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then look for your videos option in the menu there, select that. That's going to bring up your videos. At the top, you have a bunch of options with the videos and shorts. Select shorts. Now you'll see your video at the top and there should be 3 dots right next to it. Select that and it's going to bring up a set of menus. There you have an option that's called edit with a pencil icon next to it. Select that. Now it's going to bring up another set of options. Now select the pencil icon next to the current thumbnail picture, and this would allow you to select one of the frames from your video. But since we have added the JPEG at the start, select that and then press the tick button at the top and then press save. Boom, done. Hopefully this helped, and if it did, don't forget to smash that like button and share your thoughts, questions, or even better, methods down in the comment below. Love to hear them. And of course, subscribe for more tips, streaming tricks, and free tools. But until next time, guys, peace.